Tough Cooch is an Australian bred grass well able to cope with Australia's harsh conditions. Hard wearing, drought tolerant, and the leaf grows on top of each other so it doesn't have that ugly seed head. So for airports or racetracks, doesn't miss a beat. Which is why it's always been a favourite for schools, colleges, cricket grounds, and multi-purpose sports and recreation fields. It has the highest salt tolerance of any cooch variety, making it suitable for beachfront properties and poolsides. It retains colour in poorer quality soils, is soft to touch and produces low seed head, a common irritant for people with allergies. Given its hard-wearing credentials, it makes a great choice for busy families.
Yeah, we're pretty busy as a young family. We just wanted something pretty simple and easy and low maintenance, and that's why we picked the Oz Tough. So we love to get away as much as we can on weekends, so we've got a pretty U-boot camper trailer. This is nice and hardy and we can drive over it a few times and you don't even notice. No, it's been brilliant. Yeah, really happy with it.
Its moderate thatch layers provide great wearability and recovery. Oz Tough has high drought tolerance, stays green longer and recovers faster following periods of drought stress. Known as the lawn that takes care of itself, it is suitable for all growing environments along the eastern seaboard, from North Queensland down to Melbourne. For a low maintenance cooch, Oz Tough costs between $8 and $10 per square metre. To find out more, follow the links or check in with your My Home Turf specialist. And remember, your My Home Turf specialist is a local farmer or supplier who knows what variety is best suited to your area and your needs. So don't be shy, get in contact.